Already had a party foul. He knocked over Andrew's drink. It went everywhere.
Flip this or no?
Yes. And then pull the bar down.
Huh? Huh? Oh my God, you alright? Did you fall?
Yeah.
Damn, are you okay?
I guess so.
Oh God, here we go. You're crazy. Oh my God, this is gonna be freezing right now. I feel bad because Kyla's been sick the entire time, but outside of that, this has been very relaxing. I feel like the place exceeded my expectations. Everything was absolutely immaculate in terms of cleanliness. A lot of cool little touches to it. Lots of antlers. Knickknacks. Yeah, it's been really cool. We definitely would like to return here for sure. What do you think?
Yeah, it was really clean, and the owner seems professional to communicate with. We didn't meet them in real life, but I like when it's contactless sometimes. I wish I wasn't sick.
No, I feel bad for you, baby.
But I colored my hair, we cooked. I feel like we got a lot done since we've been here.
We're always talking about getting things done. It's like there's always something to be done, but yes, we did accomplish some things. But when you live in a van and then you have the convenience of staying somewhere, there's things to get done. And like coloring our hair was one of those things.
Yeah, you have to take advantage of having a real bathroom.
Yeah.
So yeah.
This place is awesome. The creek right behind us sounds amazing.
Yeah, we'll do a fire pit and more outdoor stuff tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Good morning. I don't know where Andrew and Gunnar are. They're probably outside drinking coffee. I feel a little better. Andrew has brought me my breakfast. Sausage patties, eggs, and cheese grits. It looks really good. I'm really proud of him. He even made Gunnar an egg. Did you have an egg? Side note, Walmart now has a $1 hot sauce section. So I got these miniature Melinda hot sauces for $1 each. This is perfect for van life or camping because they're just little and tiny and don't take up a lot of room. And they also had like barbecue sauces and stuff. So I'm kind of addicted. I might go get more. Come on. Yeah. Real good stuff there. This is a black truffle. I found out that like most truffle oils and truffle flavored stuff is like synthetic. Like it's not real truffle, but that's okay. This is $1 from Walmart. Like let's calm down, okay?
What do you think?
It's really good. Let me try the eggs. The grits are amazing. Oh, these are still running. Yum. You did really good.
Cool.
We hope you're enjoying this video. If you would like to support us, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on this video. And you can also follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and we now have a Patreon for more exclusive content for the Green Machine Gang. All of that information will be linked in the description below. A cute little detail about this cabin was the bucket and pulley system. At first I thought it was just for looks, but later on we realized it was pretty useful to take down towels for the hot tub and stuff for the grill.
We got Gunnar outside. We have him tied up on a super long leash. No, we do not let him just run around because he will run to the street and chase cars and get in fights with other dogs. That's just Gunnar. It is such a beautiful day. Could not have asked for better weather. I'm starting to feel a little better. Let's see how cold this water is. Oh, it's freezing. It feels nice, but it's freezing. Already had a party foul. He knocked over Andrew's drink. It went everywhere. Andrew's gonna make a fire. Gunnar's gonna just sunbathe in the middle of everything in the mud. Your dad's starting a fire soon. Lay somewhere else. Look at it. It's so nice over there. Why are you... Ugh. I have the speaker, the charger, your phone. We're really testing the weight limit on this. We're really taking a risk now.
Drink me up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow down, speed up. Very good.
I did it. What do you got on there?
It's a little Carolina barbecue rub.
Oh, that should be good. I'm gonna make mac and cheese inside. He's gonna start grilling. And then we're gonna clean up a little bit as we go just to get ready because Andrew has work tomorrow, so we have to leave here pretty early. So we just want everything kind of like clean and ready to go. All right, we have some kebabs of some sort. They look pretty freaking good. And some mac and cheese, simple but effective.
Oh yeah, buddy. Let's try it out. Mmm.
It was an easy meal. It didn't take long to make.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Good?
Oh, it's really good.
Good flavor, right?
Very tender.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. I like the lemon you did on there.
Mm-hmm.
And that Carolina dry rub was good on it.
I know.
Mmm. These were pre-made from the grocery store. Like, they were pre-seasoned in a packet. And very good.
So Gunner is tankered out. He's exhausted. He's had 2 full days. And he is out like a trout. Look at him. Look at him, guys. Look at him. Would you look at him?
We'll show them what he's sleeping in front of.
And then this dog is sleeping right in front of that heater. He loves the heat. He loves it.
Good morning, everybody. Andrew has work. That means it's all over.
Boo.
We have about a little over an hour drive back. We're really gonna miss the view. People ask, after we stayed at a hotel or a nice Airbnb, is it hard to get back to living in the van? Honestly, not really. We start right where we left off, and that's our home. That's what we're used to. We have all of our stuff in there. Our bed's comfortable. We have a routine. So it's not like a sad thing. It's just like any regular person on vacation, like, oh, I gotta go back home now. But because we're living in a van, sticking to our goals and financial plan, we're able to afford to do stuff like this more frequently. And we know that there's going to be another adventure, and there's going to be another fun time. Like next weekend, we're already planning a hiking trip because I'm getting better, even though I might not sound like it. But yeah, this was really great, and just another fun thing to check off the list.
We hope you enjoyed part 2 of our cabin getaway. And if you have not already, go back and watch part 1. We do a full cabin tour and we make some shepherd's pie. See you next time, and don't get bamboozled.